Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Matkaret. So for this video presentations, let us talk about how to calculate lower and upper confidence limit. So without further ado, let's discuss this topic. Okay, so let us read first the problem before we solve the confidence interval and the lower and upper confidence limit. So the mean score of a random sample of 49 grade 11 students who took the first periodic test is calculated to be 78. The population variance is known to be 0.16. So we have two requirements. Letter A, find the 95% confidence interval for the mean of the entire grade 11 students. The second requirement, letter B, find the lower and upper confidence limit. Okay. So, para madali isolve ang problem, isulat muna natin yung given. So, we have our given. Hirap magsulat. So our sample size in is equals to 49 or 49. So next, our sample mean is equals to 78. Okay, so next is the population variance is equals to 0.16. Okay. So next, let us write the formula. So our formula is sample mean minus the C. So our C multiplied by the population standard deviation over the square root of a sample size. Okay. So let us write the value of sample mean, which is 78 minus. So our problem is how to find the Z, since it is not given in the problem. So in finding the Z, let us write the confidence level. Confidence level. Okay. So 1 minus the alpha, that is our confidence level, which is 95%. So therefore our alpha in this problem is 0.05. Okay, let us divide our alpha by 2. So 0.05 divided by 2, that is equals to 0.025. Then 0.25, subtract it from 0.5. 0.25, so that you will get the area. So the area is 0.475450. So now that we have the area, with the help of the standard normal table, then we will find the Z. So, ilocate natin ang area 0.475. So, ito siya sa table. Then, proceed to the left. Hanapin ang Z. So, ito yung 1.9 na Z sa vertical. Then, i-add natin dito sa ang C dito sa horizontal na 0.06. So, therefore, our C is 1.96. Okay. So, multiply it with the our standard population standard deviation. So we have our population variance. Square lang natin itong population variance natin na 0.16. Yun ang population standard population standard deviation. The square root of 0.16 is 0.4. So ito yung population standard deviation natin. 0.4. Then divide natin sa square root of sample size, which is 49. Square root siya. Okay. 78 minus 1.6 or 1.96 rather. So we have 0.4 divided by the square root of 49 is 7. So ito na siya. So unahin natin yung division. 0.4 divided by 7, diretso natin i-multiply ang result niya dito sa 1.96. Okay. Gamitin yung calculator nyo. Tsaka multiply ninyo dito sa 1.96. Okay. So 0.4 divide 7 times 1.96 is equals to 0.112. Okay. So when we subtract 0.112 from 78, the answer is 77.89. So this is our lower. Dito ko sa isusulat sa baba kasi wala nang space sa taas. Lower impedance limit. Okay, ito yung ating lower confidence limit. Then ang paghanap ng upper confidence limit, let us add 78 plus 0.112. Okay, so that is equals to 78.11. That is our upper confidence limit. Okay. So that is our upper confidence limit, 78.11. Okay, class. So I hope that you learned on how to calculate the confidence interval and the lower and upper confidence limit. So I hope that you learned from this video presentation. Until next video, thank you for watching.